And then finally, retain customers, how to do it, and kick ass. I don't know how else to say it. Kick ass, say it however you want. Demonstrate to them and prove back to them, show them, check in with them, feedback with them, how you've helped them become more productive and or more profitable. You'll get repeat business. I'll also share a bonus tip. So you have to deliver. You know that E, effectiveness? You've got to be effective. So if ever you're wondering, hey, how come I keep losing customers? You suck. I just make life easy by saying things like this, so you can just go, oh, rather than like, I wonder. So, okay, that's why. We do lose through attrition, okay? People come and go, things change, people move on, okay? But if you've worked with a customer and for whatever reason they've decided to go with someone else now, we may not have fulfilled the promise, maybe they weren't happy. So that's a great opportunity to ask them, hey, I noticed that you didn't contact us that last time. What's up? So one way for client retention is to stay in contact with them. Don't just follow up annually to try to renew that contract. Check in with them on a regular basis. After I do a sales training program, and we've automated this, 1 week after the program, an email goes out to the person that engaged me saying, hey, thanks for inviting me to work with your team. It was a real pleasure. I hope they found value in the session. Would you like to get together next Friday to kind of debrief the session and then talk about next step recommendations that I might have? That's like my generic template that goes out 1 week after the training. And then we have a 3-month email that goes out. Hey, just checking in. I know we did the sales training about 3 months ago. It's very normal sometimes for teams to start performing well, but then they kind of hit a plateau and fall back into their old habits. My suggestion is to remind them of X, Y, Z, or here's a link to a video on this topic that we covered. Share that with the team and get them to watch it. So I'm adding value all the time, so I'm always in their face. You've got to be visible. Stay present. Otherwise, you'll just be forgotten. So many times you hear from someone and it's like, I haven't talked to you in a year. I've already signed up with someone else in that time, right? So you really have to, again, that's part of being a partner and not a vendor. So the key for retaining customers is, really deliver on your promise and be consistent.